Johnny Depp and Amber Heard will work on a project together. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard will reunite shortly for a shocking endeavor. The saga between the two stars completely captured fan debates all around the world. The couple had been married for over 3 years before deciding to split in 2017. The following year, Johnny Depp sued Amber Heard for defamation after she penned an op-ed for The Washington Post in which she claimed being a victim of domestic abuse without naming Depp. Depp claimed that the op-ed implied that he was the abuser and that it harmed his reputation. In 2020, the case was heard in the United Kingdom, and a court decided in favor of the publication that published the op-ed, ruling that the allegations against Depp were largely genuine. The verdict did not name Heard, but Depp's legal team stated that they intend to sue her in the United States. Depp launched another defamation case against Heard in the United States in 2021, asking $50 million in damages. The verdict in the slander trial in the United States was different. Johnny Depp was awarded $10.35 million in damages, and while Amber Heard threatened to file an appeal, the two eventually settled out of court. Now, as both Johnny Depp and Amber Heard are moving on with the next phase of their careers and lives, a project has come forward that will give great detail into the trials that captivated the entertainment industry. Depp v. Heard, The Unreal Story, due out May 17th, covers the split between the couple and the legal battles that ensued. This is an attempt to pull apart the evidence from both the UK and US trials and piece together what really happened. Author Nick Wallis told the New York Post, "I've used testimony, witness statements, transcripts, texts, emails, photographs and other documents from both trials and tried to lay it all out so that anyone reading the book can come to their own informed conclusion about what happened, and answer the question as to how the UK courts believed Amber Heard and why an American jury didn't." A freelance journalist, Wallis is the only journalist who covered both trials extensively. Using witness testimony and contemporaneous evidence, Wallis has created a gripping reconstruction of the allegations of violence, drug-taking, and wild extravagance, which dominated 2 epic trials and made headlines around the world. Will Johnny Depp ever work again for Disney? In terms of her career, Amber Heard was mostly untouched by the defamation lawsuits and much more. Heard is slated to co-star in Aquaman 2 with Jason Momoa, and she recently stated that she expects to receive more offers in the future. Depp, on the other hand, is a different story. The actor moved out of Hollywood and has been focusing on his music and acting career in Europe. His newest movie, Jean du Barry, did not go as planned, and his screen time was cut significantly due to disputes with the director. The Edward Scissorhands actor is set to perform at the Jeff Beck tribute concert later this month, but nothing else has been confirmed about his plans outside of this performance. Many insiders have speculated that Depp will eventually return as Captain Jack Sparrow in the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise, and producer Jerry Bruckheimer has stated he believes the two parties should put aside their differences, but nothing has come to fruition as of yet.